I chose the red and black version of this wig to use as like Harley Quinn original back in the black and red jumpsuit version. It's a nice, fairly thick wig for a costume wig. It's got some nice curl to it. From the bottom of the wig to the end of the hair, it's about 20 inches. The wig cap itself is fairly tightly woven, which is nice. It has a little bit of a scalp to it, about the size of a $50. And then it is an adjustable wig as well with the little elastics and the clips that you just slide into the loops. This wig also has the little temple flaps to help you get it centered on your wig, and the back of the wig does come fairly far down on the back of the head. Okay. You can see she's got some nice curl to it. Raise up the thing a little bit, even just hanging here. I have not combed this out or even really finger combed it. This is directly out of the package. This wig also comes with a 2-pack of complimentary wig caps, which I always recommend using. And then it comes with a curly pigtail extension on a butterfly clip and a red curly extension also on a butterfly clip. These are also about 20 inches long. These feel fairly nice and silky at the moment, right out of the box. Use a wide tooth comb to kind of get some of that packing flatness out of it real quick. Combs through fairly well, just some standard everyday packing type of snarls. Really helps to kind of loosen up the curl a little bit. Not a lot of loose shedding here, which is really nice. So everything is sewn in really well. One of the things I like to look at is this front hairline, which this has bangs, so it's hard to see. This is really tidy. There's not a lot of overhang of the individual wefts. There's a little bit there that can be trimmed up. You can see on the side here that little temple flap I was telling you about, where it goes, flaps in and then comes down. Really nice. Bangs I'll have to trim because that's just not gonna work for me. The back of the wig, it comes down in a pretty straight line right down the middle of the back of the hair. These, we'll go ahead and clip these in as best as we can. I don't usually use the attached pigtails. I've yet to figure out a good way to attach them. Alright, so there she is with both of her pigtails in place. They really do blend in pretty nicely. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it. It is, you know, not a natural hair wig. This is straight out of the box, just a little bit of combing and fluffing to break up the curls. And then these do pop off, like we said. So you can wear it more as a standard wig. And then they just clip back on. They do add some nice fullness to the front of the wig. Like that. There you go. She's pretty. Just needs a little trim on the bangs. Thank you. Hopefully this helps you make your decisions. So I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I'm very happy with the purchase.